A dermatologist showed me these home remedies to remove varicose veins of the legs. Varicose veins are a common problem in which abnormally enlarged veins appear close to the skin's surface. They usually occur in the calves and thighs when the veins develop weakened walls or poorly functioning valves, which regulate blood flow. According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, varicose veins affect an estimated 25% of women and 10% of men. The condition can cause pain, fatigue, restlessness, and feelings of burning, throbbing, tingling, or heaviness in the legs. The appearance of bulging veins is also a concern for many people. Common factors contributing to varicose veins are heredity, occupations that require a lot of standing, obesity, use of birth control pills, constipation and hormonal changes in the body during pregnancy, puberty, and menopause. Medical and surgical treatments for varicose veins can be very expensive. You can try some home remedies to decrease the severity of varicose veins as well as reduce some of the discomfort they can cause. Here are the top 5 home remedies for varicose veins. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a wonderful treatment for varicose veins. It is a natural body cleansing product and it also improves blood flow and circulation. When the blood starts flowing naturally, the heaviness and swelling of varicose veins will decrease to a great extent. Apply undiluted apple cider vinegar on the skin over the varicose veins and gently massage the area. Do it every day before going to bed and again in the morning. Follow this remedy for a few months to reduce the size of varicose veins. Add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and stir well. Drink the mixture twice a day for at least 1 month to see positive results. 2. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is considered a miracle treatment for varicose veins. Being a very rich source of vitamin K and bioflavonoids, it increases blood circulation and eases the pain of congested, swollen veins. Add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder to a cup of hot water and stir it well. Drink this mixture 3 times a day for 1 or 2 months. 3. Olive oil. Increasing blood circulation is essential to treating varicose veins. Massaging with olive oil can help increase circulation, thereby reducing pain and inflammation. Mix equal amounts of olive oil and vitamin E oil and warm it slightly. Massage the veins with the warm oil for several minutes. Do this twice daily for 1 to 2 months. You can also mix 4 drops of cyperus essential oil in 2 teaspoons of warm olive oil and massage with this mixture. 4. Garlic. Garlic is an excellent herb for reducing inflammation and the symptoms of varicose veins. It also helps break up harmful toxins in the blood vessels and improve circulation. Slice up 6 garlic cloves and put them in a clean glass jar. Extract the juice from 3 oranges and add it to the jar. Also add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let the mixture sit for about 12 hours. Shake the jar and then put a few drops of the solution on your fingers. Massage the inflamed veins with the solution in a circular motion for 15 minutes. Wrap the area with a cotton cloth and leave it on overnight. Repeat daily for several months. Also, include fresh garlic in your diet. 5. Parsley. Parsley is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that encourages the production of collagen and aids in cell repair and reproduction. It also contains rutin, which plays a key role in strengthening the capillaries and hence is very useful in reducing symptoms of varicose veins. Boil a handful of chopped fresh parsley in 1 cup of water for 5 minutes. Remove from the heat. Cover and allow the solution to cool to lukewarm. Then strain the solution. Add 1 drop each of rose and marigold essential oils. Put the solution in the refrigerator for several minutes. Using a cotton ball, apply the solution to the affected area. Do this daily for several months to see positive results. Also, try to eat raw parsley as often as you can.